Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026-seat Leon? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The 8.25-inch or optional 10-inch central infotainment touchscreen with 3D connected navigation, gesture control, and natural voice commands. The 10.25-inch high-resolution seat digital cockpit with fully customizable digital displays showing speedometer, tachometer, navigation, driver data, and assistance info. The manual shift mode via paddles or lever movement for sportier control, and a modern electronic gear selector on automatic models with a compact design that frees up the center console. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The tri-zone automatic climate control allowing driver, front passenger, and rear occupants to set individual temperatures with air quality and recirculation sensors for optimized comfort. The engines include turbocharged 1.5 TSI petrol, 1.5 ETSI mild hybrid, 2.0 TDI diesel, and a 204 PS plug-in hybrid, delivering a balance of performance and economy across powertrains. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, automatic brake hold system indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, engine oil pressure warning light, forward safety warning light, seat belt reminder indicator, electric shift control system warning light, high temperature indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, supplemental restraint system indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, low tire pressure or TPMS indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, front passenger airbag status light, door ajar warning light, automatic emergency braking warning light, petrol engine management fault, low fuel level warning light, master warning light, immobilizer indicator light, inattentive driving warning light, intelligent speed limit assist indicator light, auto hold indicator light, speed limiter not available, charging process indicator lamp, adaptive cruise control indicator light, outside temperature indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.